Chamawingapo, Poat.
Ewinito, Kikata.
It's good to be home.
Chest Chame! The Masawomics are defeated. With the help of our brothers, our villages are safe again.
Your return has brought much joy to the village. Look at all the smiling faces.
Yes, but there's one smiling face I don't see. Where is my daughter?
You know Pocahontas. She has her mother's spirit. She goes wherever the wind takes her.
Nanihontas! Your father's back! Come down here! No! Not that way! What were you doing up there?
Thinking.
About the dream again? Have you figured it out yet?
I know it means something, I just don't know what.
You should ask your father about it.
Maybe I should.
Determined enemy. The battle lasted from the rising of the sun until the evening shadows fell. Our warriors fought with courage, but none as bravely as Kocoum, for he attacked with the fierce strength of the bear. He has proven himself to be the
Oh,
bravest
he's so handsome.
and the finest
I
of
especially love the smile.
destroying every enemy in his path. Tonight, we will feast in his honor. My daughter,
Wingapo, father.
seeing you gives me great joy.
I'm so glad you've come home safely.
Come with me. We have much to talk about.